Hey, what's going on, guys? Chordmaster is here, and in today's video we are looking at an easier way to play 4-note or 7 chords. So just a quick recap, we talked last time about C major 7 looks like this, C minor 7 looks like this, C dominant 7 looks like this. So it turns out that when you're playing 7 chords, you are actually allowed to remove the 3rd or the 5th of the chord. When I say remove it, I mean you can take it out and you'll still have the color, the main sound or essence of the chord, right? So for example, looking at the C major 7, you can play a C major 7 like this, and you can alternatively, and you can also play it like this, or you can play it like this. Okay? So the reason this is important is because if I take, say, the 5th out of a C major 7 chord, and then also applying the inversions that we talked about in one of my earlier videos, we see that this is a regular C major 7. This is an alternate way of playing the C major 7. And then if we take this last note and move it an octave lower, we have this. And so now we have this sort of unique looking, smaller, tighter chord that is still a C major 7, or still a way of playing a C major 7, right? And so with this, we can kind of then look at the formula, or look at the way this chord is sort of formatted, and apply that to any other note and easily come up with a quick and easy way to play the 7 chord of that. And I'm not going to talk about the minor and the dominant just yet, just because I want to kind of maybe have this video just be about the major 7s, to not confuse or not sort of go over the top. But I do encourage you guys to explore using the same format and strategy, apply that to your knowledge of minor 7 and dominant 7 chords as well. So we have this. So essentially what we're saying here is if you pick any note, in this case we're picking C, and you go up a major 3rd, which we know a major 3rd is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half steps, including the first note, or 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, not including the first. So we know that that's a major 3rd, and so you play that note, and then you go down a half step from the actual note. And now you have a major 3rd that you can quickly apply that same strategy to any note. For example, what about this? What note is this, guys? This is a F sharp, right? F sharp or G flat. So here we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we're these two, and you can play the half step lower, which now gives you a F sharp major 7. Right? That type of thing. Let's do one more. How about if we're over here, I guess. Or let's go to B. So B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and half step. That type of thing, right? B flat, B, and D sharp. So, like I mentioned earlier, apply that to the same strategy what you know about minor chords. As a matter of fact, I said we weren't going to do it, but let's actually just do just the minor chord for now, because I think that's kind of important. Yeah, okay, so that's the end of today's video. So hopefully you guys learned something in this. If you guys want anything specific from a chord perspective that you want to see on the next one, feel free to drop that in the comments below. And for those of you who don't know, I just want to let you guys know that I have a Patreon where I teach this type of stuff, more geared towards music producers who like learning chord progressions to use in their songs. We meet every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's a great time. I love doing it. My crew there, what do I call my crew? I need to come up with a name. My patrons, my chord family, I don't know. But they all enjoy coming as well, and they're learning a whole lot, and it's just a blast. So if you're interested in checking more about that, you can look at the link in the comments below, as well as the description of the video. And with that, I'm going to go get some lunch now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. All right? Peace.